Welcome to PUC second year students. Today let us study the chapter number 3, that is production and costs. In production and cost, today the question is a firm's short-run marginal cost schedule is shown in the following table, and TFC is Rs 100. Find TVC means total variable cost, and total cost, and average variable cost, and the SAC short run average cost schedule of the firm, and the total, the quantity is given or output is given, and its SMC short run marginal cost is given, and total fixed cost is also given. Fixed FC or TFC is 100. So, according to these data, you have to find out the TVC, TC, AVC and SAC from these data, and you have to learn how to calculate TVC, TC, AVC and SAC. There is a formula is given. According to this formula, we have to find out how to find out the TVC, and how to find out the TC, and how to find out the AVC, and how to find out the SAC by the formula. The formula helps us to find out all these TVC, TC, AVC and SAC. The question is given. You have to understand the clear question, and you have to solve according to this formula. The formula helps us to find all these AVC, TC, SMC and SAC. If you calculate perfectly and clearly and correctly, you will have more marks, means of 6 marks or 5 marks. It is compulsory in examinations. It is very difficult and it is very easy. You go through according to this formula, and we will solve this problem by easily. So the question is, a firm SMC short run marginal cost schedule is shown in the following table. A firm's SMC short run marginal cost schedule is shown in the following table. TFC is Rs 100 is fixed. Total fixed cost is Rs 100. Find the TVC total variable cost, TC total cost, and AVC average variable cost, and SAC short run average cost schedule of the firm. You see the question, the Q is 0, SMC is nil. The Q or output is 1 and its SMC short run marginal cost is 500, and output or quantity is 2 and SMC is 300, and the quantity or output is 3 and SMC is 200, and the quantity or output is 4 and its SMC is short term marginal cost is 300, and output or quantity is 5 and its SMC is 500, and the 6 is the quantity or output is its SMC is 800. You have to find out the TVC, AC, AVC and SAC by the formula. First of all, you have to find out the TVC. What you first thing you have to do one thing. The question is you keep as it is. You prepare for a number of charts. It means output in units and SMC, TFC, TVC, TC, AVC and SAC have the column like this. Your only the work is you keep the output in units, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You keep all the digits or the output as it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the first column. It is the first column. It is the first column Q output or quantity in units 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is question 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You keep as it is, and SMC also keep as it is. The SMC is dash 500, 300, 200, 300, 500, 800, and you have to keep as it is dash 500, 300, 200, 300, 500, 800. You keep as it is. And one thing, the TFC is fixed. The TFC is 100. You keep as it is fixed 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. It is the question. You have to solve the TVC, TC, AVC and SAC. First, you use the formula to calculate TVC. To calculate TVC, how to calculate the TVC? TVC is equal to summation SMC. Then you have to find out the TVC. Where is the TVC? Here is the TVC. You have to find out the TVC. TVC formula is TVC is equal to summation SMC. You have to find out the TVC. What you do to find out TVC? You have to do the find out to add all the SMC. 500 to 500, 500 to 500, 500 plus 300 is equal to 800, 500 plus 300, 800, 800 plus 200 is 1000, 800 plus 200 is equal to 1000, 1000 plus 300 is equal to 1300, and 1300 plus 500 is equal to 1300 plus 500 is equal to 1800, 1800, and 1800 plus 800 is equal to 2600. It is called as the TVC. You find the TVC. And how to calculate TC? How to calculate the TC? TC, the formula is TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. 100 to 100, 100 to 100, 500 plus 100 is equal to 600, 500 plus 100 is equal to 600, 800 plus 100 is equal to 900, 1000 plus 100 is equal to 1100, 1300 plus 100 1400, 1800 plus 100 is equal to 1900, 1900, and 2600 plus 100 is equal to 2700. It is called as the TC. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC is equal to TC. It is called as the TC. You have find out the TC, and how you have or you will find the AVC. The formula is AVC. AVC is equal to TVC divided by output. TVC divided by output. TVC here, TVC output. TVC output. TVC is 0, out unit is 0, cash. TVC divided by 1 is equal to 500. 500 divided by 1 is equal to 500, and 800 divided by 2 is equal to 400, and 1000 divided by 3 is equal to 333.33, and 1300 divided by 4 is equal to 325, and the 1800 divided by 5 is equal to 360. 2600 divided by 6 is equal to 433.33. It is called as the AVC. How to find out? TVC divided by output. TVC divided by output. It is called as the AVC. And the last SAC. You have to find out the SAC. How to find out SAC? TC divided by output. TC divided by output. TC divided by output. There is 100 divided by 0 is equal to 0, and there is 600 TC is, and unit is 1. It is called as 600. 600 divided by 1 is equal to 600, and 900 divided by 2 is equal to 450, and 1100 divided by 3 is equal to 366.67, and 1400 divided by 4 is equal to 350, and 1900 divided by 5 is equal to 380, and last the 2700 divided by 6 is equal to 450. It is the SAC. You have to find out according to this formula. If you solved like this the problem, you will have the 6 marks or the 5 marks. And keep remember how to find out the TVC, TC, AVC and SAC. According to this formula, you have to find out without mistakes. I have explained it with the help of this formula. I have no calculator, so I have solved like this the problem. So I think you will understand by my explanation. Don't forget and keep in mind and how to forget, how to find out and how to solve the problem. If it comes in examinations, you have to solve like this, and you take calculator in examinations. There is allowed to calculate like these problems. So you have to purchase one calculator and eraser and seize pencil. Why the seize pencil is required? To draw the diagram. That is very necessary in examinations. Don't draw with a pen, because of if you are wrong thing, there is no eraser by the pen. So you have to keep all these things without forgetting, and keep remember how I explained. You have to keep remember and solve the number of problems, and practice at home. Thank you, and don't forget. Once again I request you, don't forget to subscribe my channels. Don't watch without subscribing. So I request finally, thank you one and all.